How to record internal audio of Android phone using screen recorder. So today I am going to tell you how you can do it, right? So this solution is for Android phone. So first open Play Store and click on search and click ADV Screen Recorder. So download this screen recorder by Byte Rave and install it. I have already downloaded it, so just need to open it. So now herein you need to click on three dots at the top right hand side corner of the screen. Click on settings, scroll down. This audio settings, it is showing microphone is selected. Make sure that this is Android 10 plus. This solution will work only for Android 10 plus phone, right? So click on internal audio and then you can start recording audio of your games, your specific application that you want to record using your Android screen. You need to just click on it and click on save, right? So as I am recording this video from this software only, screen recorder, though I will make it back to microphone. So in case you like this video, just hit on the like button and subscribe my channel, friends. Bye and take care.